G'day Australia. The AGM anti-smartphones are getting more and more popular. So many people are buying these from our website and from our eBay store. We'd rather you buy them from our website so that we don't have to pay all the eBay fees. But we've had a few questions about assembling and what comes in the box and a few bits and pieces. So this is a quick video to show you what's what. So first of all, we've got the two formats, the flip phone, which comes with the charge dock, and the solid phone, which has the optional charge dock available on the website. And the solid phone is the one I'm going to show you a little bit about today. So first of all, in the box is the phone itself, and then there is an international charger that comes with it, but chuck that out because you're not going to use it. You're just going to use the standard USB-C charger, which comes, you've probably got 100 of these laying around the house already from all your existing phones. USB-C on one end, USB regular on the other end, and that will charge in the base of the phone, or plug into the dock if you're using the charge dock. In the box the phone also comes with a 3.5mm headphone adapter in case you'd like to use an old pair of headphones on this phone. So, discarding the box and the charge cable, you've got the phone itself. Now these are IP68 rated, IP68 rated, which means you can submerge them, rinse them, get them covered in muck and rinse them off, no problem. But it means there's a few layers of protection. So first of all, to open it up, you slide the back off, and on a downward motion, the first cover of the back will slide away, and then you've got the battery and SIM cover. Just put your fingernail, or if your fingernail's a bit soft, get something gentle to lever that out. That, you'll see, has a nice little rubber O-ring around it, which is giving it the weather seal protection. Then you've got the battery. We're just going to, the easiest way I like to get the battery out is just turn the phone over and bang it into your hand, and the battery will drop out easily. Then that gives you access to the SIM and the data slot, the data card slots. It's got two SIM positions, so you can use multiple SIMs, multiple networks in Australia, or an international SIM and an Australian SIM, pretty handy feature. And then you can expand the memory of the phone as well with these slots. Let's zoom in on this and we'll show you what's going on up close. If you're just using one SIM, you'll be wanting to use the SIM 1 slot. You'll see the one there indicated. To open the SIM 1 slot, simply slide the lock mechanism back this direction and hinge that gently open. Then take your SIM. Now notice it's the micro SIM but not the nano SIM. So you'll need to have it in the right size format. Place your SIM card into position so it drops gently into that location. Then simply close the hatch, push down lightly, and slide that until it's locked. That should all fit in very, very nicely. If you've got the SIM in the right format and you've placed it carefully, that will click in without a fuss. Similar mechanism to open the micro SD slot and open that up, place the SD card in, bring the lock mechanism over and lock it back into position. And the same for the second SIM as well. Once your SIM's in position, you can simply reassemble the components in the reverse order to which you took them out. It's very quick and easy. Everything kind of only goes in one way, so you can't mess that up. Then slide the final cover back into position, and you're ready to power up and test. We hope that's been helpful. These phones are getting more and more popular. So many more people are interested in disconnecting from all the noise that comes at us these days, from all the social media streams and other nonsense, the constant notifications you get on a smartphone from all sorts of things that are completely irrelevant to you just going out and enjoying your life. These phones will help you stay connected to important people in your life without all of the noise and nonsense that's distracting you from a real human experience. We hope these phones can be helpful to you. We hope this has helped you solve a problem. And hit that like and subscribe button, or throw a comment down below. We'd love your feedback, and it helps us tailor the content to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.